So you're wondering, how do you make the timing show whenever you're editing something in Canva here? Well, there are a few requirements in order for that specific feature to appear. Now, usually, the timing option for Canva only appears if you're editing a video. So if you go to Canva here and click on video, and basically choose one of the options here, whenever you start editing it via this way, the timing will be automatically there. But in some cases, it might disappear, or you may want to convert your Canva, or you may want to edit your presentations into a video instead. Well, what you need to do here is you want to go ahead and access a very specific one, or specific option here. So you want to go to your presentation. You want to go and right click inside your presentation, and you want to go and choose edit as video. Now, once you click on edit as video, as you can see right now, it's going to start showing you the timing here, and you go and just start editing the section here, as you can see right now. But obviously, this is just for like one page. So you could go and click on exit video here if you want to change the timing for it. You can go into another page here, right click on it, and you can go and just edit this as a video as well. Now, if you want to basically edit this one by one. But as a whole, like if you want to edit the whole thing in here, what I would recommend you try doing here is just convert this in a video. So you may need to do a bit of more here in order for you to really edit this further. But that's how you access the timing feature here in Canva. So as you can see, just to give you some idea, if you do go back in here, there are different formats here in Canva, and that directly affects what features you can access for each product here in Canva. But that's about it. So hopefully this video is able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.